gentle friend, a real one, revealing the Lord's design. The love is great and is all divine. Was it not enough to thank you, my friend, for a shoulder to lean on and depend? You shared your ways, your heart, your land. My worries are healed, my pain is mended. Thank you, my friend, this I should say. It's the language of my heart from on this day. And as you help me and show me the way, you cheer me up and keep my blues away. You to myself I can be true, nothing to hide and nothing to show. My book of life is opened up for you. My stories are told, but only to you. Thank you, my friend, this I should say. It's the language of my